Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to work on the update board and the delete board functionality. So as you can see here that I'm present in the update.go file. So in this file, what I will do, I will create another function by the name of update board. So let me just copy it and paste it down here. After that, let me just change the name like from update role to update board. Let's change these details also, update board. And this is the boards. Here it is boards. So after that, let's write what you can say and boards. So instead of writing one board, I will write what you can say new board and old board also. All right. So what do I mean by this? Basically, the user have to enter the new board and the user also have to enter the old board in order to update this old board with the new board. All right. So this is the thing. After that, let's write what you can say new board. And once this new board is given, I will write new board and old board like this. So this is the new board and old board. Let's try what you can say. Let's write this new board also like this. And just change the name of this from new to old. All right. So email, old board and the new board, all of them should be filled with some kind of data in order to update them. All right. So if one of them is not given, then that old board or the new board will not be updated. All right. So this old board will not be updated with the new board. So yeah, this is the old board, this is a new board that is going to be updated and the credentials are email, and the old board, based on these two credentials, this one will be updated. All right, so let's save this and let's change the name of this role from role to board. All right, so more flags are required to update the board. And yes, let's go to the update board.go file, and inside this file what I will do, I will make some modifications, and to do those modifications I will go to the setboard.go file and I will copy these credentials like this one. All right, and paste it up here like this. Once I have copied this, let's write what you can say old board, and after that, let's copy this, and this time I will paste it, and this will be new board like this, new board. All right, so this is the old board, and this is the new board. All right, after that, let's go to the setboard.go file again and copy this thing, because I have not set it this flag. So what I will do, I will paste it 2 more times. And in order to write, I will instead of writing setup, I will write update. And after that, let's write what you can say old board. This is going to be the new board, and this is new old. All right, so this is the old board name, new board name, like this. And similarly, I will change this set from set to update like this. This time it will be fine. So old board will be given and the new board will be given, and after that they will be updated. All right. So yeah, let's change the name of these things. Like I will write old board here, old board, and here I will write old board. So basically, it will find the board based on the account email address and the old board name. All right. Once this board is found, then what it will do, I will use these variables, because this is the user board and the member board that will be found when I will use this functionality by the find board. All right. So let's remove this if statement, and I will put it up here. Like first of all, remove this. And after removing it, I will put it up here like this, or this one. So if the user is logged in or if the member is logged in, if one of them is logged in, then in that case I will put another if statement. Then hey, if the length of user board is not equal to 0, and else if the length of what you can say member board is not equal to 0, like this, and then else statement. All right, so basically if the user board is filled with some kind of data, then in that case it will update it. All right, so otherwise it will not update it, because it will ask you to first of all set up the board, and then you can update it. All right, so what I will do, I will write to what you can say MySQL update board, and for that I will write the account email, the new board. The new board is going to be this one. All right, so new board, new board, and the old board. All right, so yeah, so the old board will be given, and the email address will be given, and this is the new board. All right, so if let's say new board, old board. All right, so this is fine. After that, let's write this one, and this should not be like this. Instead I should write it like this one, old board, new board. And now let's go to the update.go file. I also need to update this, because the first thing that is going to be updated is the new board, and the email address, and the let's change this and write this like this. All right, so first of all the email address will be given, and the old board name will be given, and after that the new board name will be given. All right, so this is the thing. Yeah, so let's write a message here, print line that the board is successfully updated. All right, and after that I will do the same thing, like let's copy this and paste it down here. And what I will do, I will write member account email. Instead of writing account email, I will write member account email. So the member account name will be given, and after that the old board name will be given, and this will be updated with a new board name. All right, so this is the thing. Yeah, so this is how it will work. And after that, if the what you can say, if the user board or the member board is not filled with some kind of data, then what I will do, I will write print line, what you can say, errors new, first set up the you have the board name, the board is not present by this name. Please set this first. Please set it this first. All right. So first set the, please first set up this. Set up the board. Please please set up the board first, like this. Please set up the board first, like this. All right, the board is not present by this name. Please set up the board first, and after that you can update it. All right, so yeah, this is how it will work. And now there is nothing to be written more here. So what I will do, I will save this and go to the delete.go file, and inside this file I will copy this function. And after copying this function, what I will do, I will rename it like delete board, and let's remove this value and write what you can say, email and board, and that will be string, and this is boards instead of writing board, and this is not going to be name, instead it should be boards, like this. So the email address and the board will be given, and that will basically delete it. All right, so let's write email and board, and this should be email, and this should be board, like this. And flags are required to delete the board, like this, like this. So now this will work fine. And what I will do here, so basically I will, let me just check it out. Yeah, so basically what it does, it will delete the board, and after that let's go to the drop board.go file, and the same things that I will do here. So I will copy this thing like this one, and I will paste it up here. One thing I need to do is to remove this new board name and just write board name, because only one name will be given. So board name, and based on that board name it will be deleted, board name, like this. And all these things are the same. So let's go to the update board again and copy this and paste it down here, and instead of writing update I will write delete, and let's write what you can say, delete board, sorry, drop board. All right, drop board, and this time it should be not on old board, it should be what you can say, board only, board. All right, let's remove this, specify the board name to delete. Yeah, this is how it will work. And after that let's make some changes here. So instead of writing this member login token, I will remove this from here, and instead of it I will write up here like this, and once I do this I will remove this, and I will write if user length of user board is not equal to 0, and else if length of a member board is not equal to 0, and else then what you can say, the board is not present, error is new, and the board is not present by this name, like this. All right, the board is not present by this name. And what I will do, I will write here in the user board like MySQL delete board. Here the email address will be given, account email, and the board name is the board name. All right, so here I will write MySQL dot delete board, member account email, and the board name, like this. All right, so basically it will delete this board from the member account, or it will delete this board from the user account or the admin account. All right, so after that let's write a message here also, that print line the board is successfully deleted, like this. The board is successfully deleted from here also. Yeah, this is how it will work. So let's save them, save this one also. Let's check it, this old board name, new board name. So old board name, new board name. Yeah, so let's save this. Now let's write go install. Let's go to the MySQL database to show you. MySQL p password, let's give it a password. Use proctl and select from boards, like this. Now you can see that this is the Vanes board and this is the Kaifa board. So what I will do, I will change the name of these things, like proctl, first of all status, Kaifa is logged in, so the member is logged in. Let's write what you can say, set board again. I will set the board first of all, because I want the board of this Kaifa account to be present more than once. All right, not just one board, instead multiple boards should be present here. So that's so that I can show you that only one board will be updated or deleted if I want to. Not all the boards of that member will be deleted. All right, so let's write set board b next board, like this. Your board is successfully inserted. If I show you MySQL database, you can see that more boards, more Kaifa or next board. All right, so this is the two boards of the Kaifa account. So what I will do, I will write proctl update And update is going to take the first of all email address that I have given it, like this. You can see here that this is the account email address that it will be given to it, and after that I have to enter the old board name and the new board. All right, so the old board name is basically, let's say, more kaifa. I'm not going to update this next board, instead I'm going to update this more kaifa. So what I will do, I will write old board, that would be more kaifa, and the next board is new board is going to be, let's say, big boards, this. So update board, so I need to write update board instead of writing board. My mistake. So now you can see that the board is not present by this name. Please set up the board first. I don't know why. So I found the problem, and the problem is this. You can see here that this is the old board that is written in small letter, but if I show you, this is the old board, that is, this board name is written in capital letter. So this is the thing that I need to modify, and this should be board like this. Now it will work fine. All right. So similar case with the drop board. If I show you, maybe there is some kind of error. You can see that this is the board that I need to update it like this. All right, so this is a new board. I need to change this from new board to board only. Now this will work fine here also, because it will also give me an error if I execute this, but now it is done. So yeah, let's go to the updateboard.go file and let's write go install. And this time if I write what you can say the command old board, more kaifa, new board, and big boards, you can see that the board is successfully updated. So if I show you, you can see this more kaifa. Now this will be big boards. This one is not updated. You can see here the next board is not updated, only this one is updated. So this was a thing that I was telling you, that I have created two boards in order to show you that if I update one board, it will not impact this one. So if I update this board, it will not impact this one. So this was the thing that I was talking about. All right, so let's say if I write update board again, you can say update board, and this will be, let's say, next board that I just created, and the new board is going to be far boards like this. So now next board will be converted into far board. So if I show you, you can see the board is successfully updated. Now you can see that this will be, next board will be updated. You can see the next board is updated to far boards, and the big board is not impacted by this. All right, similar case will be applied in the Vanes account also, but I'm not going to show you. You can check them out also, but the code is the same. And now let's go to the drop board, and this functionality will be applied here also. So let's write proctl, let's say drop board D, and let's write what you can say far boards. Now it will, sorry, I should write the board name here like this. So the board is successfully deleted. If I show you, the far board is going to be deleted now. You can see the far board is deleted from here. So this is how it will work. If you want to delete a specific board, or if you want to update the specific board, then you can do this with the help of this functionality that I have written it here. But basically it will not impact other board names. It will only target the specific board. All right, so let's write git add and git commit. Now let's write what you can say worked on the update and the delete board functionality. Git push origin master. So yeah, this is done now. So let's refresh this. 83, 84. Worked on update and the delete board functionality. All right. So I hope you understood and liked this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.